Hey guys, what's up? So I got the bike purring now, all put back together. I wanted to go for a rip, but it's getting pretty dark out. So I'm gonna call her a night. I figured I'd just keep everybody posted at where I am. Everything's bolted down, everything's great. Ready to go for a ride. So tomorrow after work, I'm gonna throw my ATC Chameleon on my head. I don't know, I think it's a pretty good camera. I still want to get a GoPro, but I'll use that for now until I get it. But here it is, just starting up. Running good. Temporarily set my key mounted down here. Starts up nice and good. Got the headlight going. I don't know what's up with that backlight because I tested it before, but now it's not working. I put a different bulb to the wires on the bike and they're working, so I'll have to figure that out. Even hooked up blinkers on it. So I packed the muffler too with some of that muffler packing shit. It's like, I don't know what the fuck it was. I actually got it from a buddy. It's the real shit though. He said he used to have an FMF on his four-wheeler. I have about 300 bucks into this bike so far. Once I paint the frame, the fenders and everything, it's gonna look awesome. Fucking horn. Battery box, custom muffler. And that's about it, boys. The bike's running. There's a lot of stuff I still have to do to it. Painting and a couple touch-ups here and there. But the budget dirt bike build is running, it's drivable. So for everybody who's stayed tuned to these episodes, I think I'm at number 10 now. I really appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned, I'm going to get it all painted up and looking good. Make some good riding videos this year. I have about 5 machines behind me too, so there'll be more than just this in there. So till the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Take her easy. PG out. Man, I love my bike.